What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, while we are still getting ongoing the renovation of my backyard, today we are going to detach the front yard. We are going to top dress and overseed it. Stay tuned. So today, as I mentioned, we are going to first of all detach. I had to bring down the height of cut of this lawn to 2.5 inches. Today we are going to detach, bring down another half inches, and then we are going to top dress, overseed, and we are going to enjoy what is gonna come out from this process. As you can see, we have removed quite a bit amount of touch from this just 300 square feet. Now what I'm gonna do, it's what most of the people does. I'm gonna take my lawnmower and I'm gonna bag all this, and then I'm gonna do a second pass with the Sanjo before I'm gonna topsoil.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know.
So we have detached and we have cleaned the lawn. I'm gonna do this process again. If I went on this way the first time, now I'm gonna change direction with the detacher and go on this other way, and I will be back. So I must say that Sanjo has done a really good job to remove the touch from the lawn. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna spread some topsoil on it. I'm gonna level it with my DIY lawn leveling. So I have top dressed and leveled as much as I could in this area. For sure it's not gonna be a job finished forever, but I believe that it's already much better for what it was before. I'm gonna show you what seeds I have chosen for my lawn renovation and overseed. So as you can see, guys, I have choose GCI Cool Blue blend, which is basically the turf type tall fescue with the Kentucky bluegrass. I have gone with the started the fertilizer from Scott, and this one, to be honest, I was already having it in my garage since last year. And then the pit moss. First we are going to apply the starter fertilizer, then we are going to apply the seeds, and we are going to put on top the pit moss. I believe that we can kind of call the job done here. I'm gonna apply the nicety and then I'm gonna water it. And then we are just need to wait that the seeds will come out. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for subscribe to my channel. It's much appreciated. If you have not done so, consider to subscribe, give me a like, and I'll see you to the next time.